technical analysis. This is a detailed technical analysis of AIRE based on the provided data. The last closing price was 0.28. Over the past 3 months, the stock has exhibited a volatile downward trajectory, falling from 0.6879 on April 7 to a recent low of 0.2745 on July 3, with the current price at 0.28. We will analyze price movements, trend, momentum, volatility, and volume dynamics to assess the stock's current state and potential future direction. Price movements and trend analysis. The last close was 0.28. The 5-day simple moving average SMA5 is 0.31, and the exponential moving average EMA5 is 0.31, with the price below both, indicating a short-term bearish trend. The 10-day averages, SMA10 at 0.32 and EMA10 at 0.33, are also above the current price, reinforcing short-term weakness. The 20-day averages, SMA20 at 0.38 and EMA20 at 0.38, are significantly above the price, confirming a medium-term downtrend. The 50-day averages, SMA50 at 0.5 and EMA50 at 0.53, and the 100-day averages, SMA100 at 0.88 and EMA100 at 0.75, are well above the current price, supporting a strong long-term bearish trend. The 200-day averages, SMA200 at 1.13 and EMA200 at 1.11, are also significantly above the price, further validating the downtrend across all time frames. Historically, the stock started at 0.6879 on April 7, peaked at 0.85 on April 15, and then began a steady decline, dropping significantly to 0.5771 on May 16, with a massive volume spike, 34.032.077, and further to 0.2745 on July 3. Bollinger bands show the middle band at 0.38, lower band at 0.25, and upper band at 0.52. The price at 0.28 is near the lower band, indicating oversold conditions and a potential for a near-term bounce. However, the price is positioned below the middle band suggests continued bearish momentum unless a reversal signal emerges. Momentum indicators RSI 14 is at 25.32, in oversold territory, below 30, signaling strong downward momentum, but also a potential for a reversal. Stochastic indicators, K5 is 27.06, D5 is 21.15, showing a weak signal near oversold levels. K15 is 4.33, D15 is 7.42, deep in oversold territory, reinforcing the potential for a bounce. Stoch RSI K5 is 20.23, D5 is 44.38, also indicating oversold conditions. MACD is -0.06, with the signal line at -0.06 and histogram at 0.0, indicating a neutral position with no strong momentum direction. Momentum 10 is -0.08, reflecting price declines over the past 10 days. Williams R14 is -95.83, deep in oversold territory, aligning with other indicators. Ultimate oscillator is 24.25, in a weak range, suggesting sustained selling pressure. CMO 14 is -49.36, further confirming strong bearish momentum, volatility, and support. A resistance levels Bollinger bands, upper band at 0.52, middle band at 0.38, lower band at 0.25. The price at 0.28, near the lower band, suggests oversold conditions and a potential bounce to the middle band at 0.38 if momentum shifts. ATR 14 is 0.04, indicating low volatility relative to the price, reflecting the stock's recent consolidation at low levels. PSAR is at 0.37, above the current price, acting as resistance and reinforcing the bearish trend. VWAP is at 2.0, significantly above the current price, indicating long-term selling pressure. NATR 14 is 13.94, showing high volatility relative to the price, consistent with the stock's sharp declines. The stock's recent consolidation suggests limited downside, but oversold signals warrant attention. Volume analysis: the last day's volume was 40.914.941, exceptionally high compared to peaks like 34.032.077 on May 16, or 1.508.621 on April 9. Volume spikes in April, e.g., 1.577.256 on April 7 and May, e.g., 1.268.325 on May 15, accompanied price movements, while the recent massive volume suggests heightened selling pressure or potential capitulation. OBV is 44.389.758, indicating accumulation despite the price decline, possibly due to high volume at lower levels. Chaikin oscillator is -9.069.551, 61, strongly negative, reflecting significant selling pressure, consistent with the recent price drop. Other indicator CCI 20 is -101, 26, below -100, confirming oversold conditions and increasing the likelihood of a near-term bounce. MFI 14 is 1.02, extremely low, indicating minimal money flow and supporting oversold conditions. AIRE oscillator is -92, 86, with AIRE up at 20, 0 and AIRE down at 100, 0, strongly bearish, indicating a robust downtrend. ADX 14 is 43, 45, suggesting a strong trend, and DX 14 at 64, 79 reinforces the bearish direction. TRIX 10 is -2, 21, negative, supporting the downtrend. TSF 14 is 0, 28, aligned with the current price, suggesting a continuation of the current consolidation. APO is -0, 07, indicating short-term averages are below long-term averages, a bearish sign. ROC 14 is -38, 38, reflecting significant recent losses. Summary and outlook: AIRE is in a strong downtrend across all timeframes, having fallen from 0.6879 in early April to 0.28, with a recent low of 0.2745. The stock is below its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages, confirming bearish momentum. Its position near the Bollinger Band's lower band at 0.25, combined with oversold signals from RSI 25, 32, stochastic, CCI -101, 26, and MFI 1.02, suggests a potential near-term bounce to the middle band at 0.38, or PSAR resistance at 0.37. Momentum indicators like MACD and AIRE confirm strong bearishness, but the oversold conditions warrant caution for a potential reversal. The massive volume spike, 40.914.941, and negative Chaikin oscillator indicate heavy selling pressure, though OBV suggests some accumulation at these levels. Key support levels are 0.25, lower band, and 0.2745, a recent low, with resistance at 0.37 PSAR and 0.38, middle band. A break above 0.37 with strong volume could push the stock towards 0.38-0.52, upper band, while a drop below 0.25 could lead to new lows around 0.2. The strong ADX 43, 45, and bearish indicators suggest the downtrend remains intact, but investors should monitor volume for signs of capitulation or reversal and watch for a potential bounce given the extreme oversold signals. The 0.25-0.37 range will be critical for the next move.